Hey y'all, it's Laura here at Windmill Farms. You're probably wondering what I'm doing outside with a blow dryer. Well, I have a chore to do for the farm, and yes, it requires a blow dryer and clippers. Y'all come along and see this, because I bet a lot of y'all don't have to do this. Alright, so I know some of you may have rabbits as homesteaders. I know Hoppy Sabbath does. She has Holland Lops. We used to breed Holland Lops, and they're wonderful pet rabbits. We still have one. Her name is Sin, and you'll meet her a little later in this video. But right now I want to introduce you to our boy. This is our only boy. Now, I have kept the worst of the mats down. Unfortunately, I started a new job. I was finishing nursing school. If any of you are nurses, you can attest to this. There is nothing else, especially in that last month or two while you're getting ready. So my poor baby here, I was a bad mama. So, but it is springtime. We should be past our last really bad freeze. And that means it is time for me to actually trim my rabbits down. But so you're not having to watch the whole thing in slow-mo, we're going to speed this up a little bit. Normally, if I'm not trimming them down, that's why I said we use a blow dryer. My rabbits are English Angoras. We actually breed them for fiber. This lovely, lovely fur on him is actually some of the softest fiber that you can get, and it spins into a lovely yarn. It'll actually mat up just like regular wool. You can do felting with it, anything. So, normally what I do to actually keep their coats full, especially in the winter, is take a blow dryer and a slicker brush to them. Are you making fun at the camera? Are you being a good boy? I can't see his face from this end. But since it's springtime, we're going to actually break out the clippers. So we're going to come back and we're going to show you this in fast motion, so you don't necessarily have to sit and wait. Alright, y'all, I've done everything to Biscuit I'm going to do today. As you can see, he is still, there's still a lot of fluff. He's still a little cotton ball. But we're going to put him up and we're going to go get the next one. I have two other English Angoras. They're both does, so we'll introduce you to those next. And go do this all over again. If you're ever thinking about getting English Angoras or any Angora of any sort, understand this. This is a once a week thing that you need to be doing. I will admit I was awful, I was bad bunny mama, and I did not do it like I was supposed to. So, that being said, learn from my mistakes and understand that this has got to be done every week. These rabbits are a lot more work than, say, just your generalized meat rabbits. If you're interested in seeing more of them, seeing more videos and stuff of them, put a comment below and let us know, and we'll definitely bring you more of the rabbits. You will be seeing them from time to time here on our homestead. But let me put Biscuit up and bring out Rosie. Rosie is our little sweetheart. Alright, y'all, this is Rosie. Now, Rosie is a color called a pointed white. So if you look, she looks almost like she has dirt on her nose. She doesn't. It's a little patch of a different colored fur. Kind of like her ears have a real soft kind of chocolate to them. And if she's a 100% pointed white, whoop, Come here, baby. Shh. If you look at her feet have some chocolate to them too. She might actually be a pointed agouti. Pointed whites, you refer to them as pointed, which means they're white on the body but have these points. Their feet, their ears, their nose have color. But then you refer to what the color is. I don't know the rabbit colors well enough to tell you 100% this is what she is. Now, Rosie is generally our sweetest baby. Biscuit is a boy. Boys will be boys. But this is our baby. If you look at her, this is fluff. So we're going to trim her down because they will get very, very hot in the summer. So I want to go ahead and get them kind of used to the fact that it's warming up and everything. But this is closer to what you really expect with an English Angora. But same thing with her. We're going to trim her down, trim her toenails, and then we'll introduce you to Mocha. And you may actually get to see Rosie and Biscuit become boyfriend and girlfriend. We'll see. So, fair warning. If we do show that, understand you may not want your kids to see it. Alright, y'all. Rosie's not what we refer to as a flipping bunny. Some bunnies don't mind you flipping them over and messing with their feet and stuff. Rosie, as you saw in the time lapse, is not one of those. She does not like being on her back. But she's calmed down now. So it's time to introduce her to Biscuit. Now, if you're thinking about getting into rabbits, let me explain something. Does are territorial. Like, oh my lord, territorial. So you never want to take a buck and put him in a doe's cage to breed him, because the doe will try to kill him. So what we've done is we've set up a cage and we put Biscuit in it. And now we're going to add Rosie, because Biscuit's been in there for a few minutes, therefore it will be his cage, and we'll be adding Rosie to his territory, not vice versa. So, y'all come on, we're going to do this. Alright, this is our last English Angora. Her name is Mocha. Now, you've met Biscuit, who's her boy. You've met Rosie, who's her sweetheart. Mocha here is actually Rosie's grandmother. They came from the same breeder, and she is actually the mother of Rosie's father, of her sire. So she's a little bit older, and so she's our crotchety one. She can be sweet when she wants to be, but she knows what she wants when she wants it, and she expects you as the human to understand that she is the bunny, is the queen. We have a saying around here: rabbits are just cats with long ears and short tails. Mocha is a cat with long ears and a short tail. So we're gonna get her trimmed down. As you can tell, she's a lot bigger in body than either one of them. But it just really comes down to she's a little bit older than them. So we're going to get her trimmed down from all her fluff, and then we'll come back and we'll talk some more about rabbits. Alright, I told y'all earlier that this might be a viewer discretion advised video. We'll see if you can remember back to when it was. This is Sienna. She is the one Holland Life that we have left. I am not 100% sure what exactly you call her coat. I think she's going to be what they considered a Vienna mark. She's got some white up here on her head. But this is also very close to what you call a Dutch coat. So, it's been a minute since we've gotten her out. Now you can see she's got real short fur. She's so soft right now. So basically all we've really got to do with her is just kind of give her a look-see and trim her nails. That's all we've really got to do with her. But she's our baby. She's Grizz's favorite. So, but that's our 4 rabbits we have right now. Now we are looking at getting some more English Angoras, and when we do get them, you know, we'll of course introduce you to them and kind of explain where we're wanting to go with that particular breeding program. So let me trim up her nails and get her put up, and then we'll come back and say goodnight for the evening. So we'll be back in just a sec. Well, y'all, you've met the 4 rabbits here that we have at Windmill Farms. Hopefully we'll soon have more bunnies to share with you. But that being said, we're starting to lose lights. We're going to get everybody put up where they go. And we will come back and see you again soon. So come join us for more adventures. As always, have a blessed day and be safe.